budget ka ba ngayon? Birthday ba ni Bunso? O anniversary nila Mudra at Mudra? O di naman kaya week sa rin yun ni Joma? Pwede mo na silang paglutuan ng pasta. Tinatawag ko itong tuna garlic pasta, pasta garlic tuna, whatsoever. So, standby ka lang dyan and I'll be showing you in a short while kung ano ang mga recipe na kailangan natin na budget-friendly. So, we will be needing 400 grams of spaghetti noodles. Garlic. So, I usually use 8 to 10 cloves of garlic. So, if you want your pasta to be garlicky or to taste more garlic, more of a garlic, so use 8 to 10. Of course, one of the important ingredients. So, I'll be using one kind of centurytuna, yung big size niya. Pero it depends. If you want to have more tuna, it's okay. Pero I think it's enough for 400 grams ng ating pasta. Of course, since we are cooking a spicy one, I have it here, chili flakes. So, I guess dun sa Philippines, meron tayong mga Ajinomoto or ginisa chili flakes. So, this one is nice. If you're going to cook pasta, so they usually use olive oil. Since budget-friendly ang gagamitin natin, we'll be using unsalted butter or you can use the ordinary cooking oil. But I prefer this one kasi much tastier siya than a cooking oil. So, tipid tips lang. So, you can use actually margarine. I tried margarine before and butter. You will be needing salt and of course, pepper. So, mince lang natin yung garlic. Pero yung iba, they're actually cut the garlic very thinly. Pero ako, I prefer it to be minced kasi nga yung flavor niya actually mas powerful dun sa pasta natin. Just be careful lang pag na-fry po ninyo, since mince ito, so just be careful na ma-burn yung ating garlic. Kasi medyo may bitter taste siya kapag na-overcook natin yung garlic later. So, I think that's enough. So, for the butter, I think this is 1 to 2 tablespoons yung pwede nyong gamitin. Kasi yung tuna natin is flakes in oil. We can actually use yung oil from the tuna. For the chili flakes, since yung mga kasama ko dito sa bahay, they really wanted to be spicy. So, naglagay ako ng 1 to 2 tablespoons din na ating chili flakes. So guys, you can actually start boil your water para sa pasta natin. So guys, our water started to boil. Lalagyan lang natin siya ng cooking oil para hindi magdikit-dikit yung ating pasta. Just a little some of cooking oil. So I guess the water is ready for the pasta. Okay, yung iba, actually, binibend nila, kinakat nila, but I prefer na hayaan lang natin siyang lumambot para hindi siya putol-putol kapag naluto. Usually, 8 to 10 minutes yung pasta okay na. Yung iba kinakagat lang kapag wala ng puti sa gitna, so it means al dente na siya. Or okay na yung pasta natin. So usually, just like I said, 8 to 10 minutes, I think the noodles is ready. So you have to you have to check once in a while. Siyempre, ayaw natin yung sticky noodles, right? I think her pasta is so ready. So guys, sana nagustuhan nyo yung ating bagong recipe for today. Budget-friendly, very easy, napakadali. It will not take you too much time, lalo na sa mga working mom out there, sa mga working dads out there. So try my spicy tuna pasta. And if you really like this video, please like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and hit the bell button below para updated ka sa mga susunod kong mga vlogs. See you guys! Bye!